So usually when we pass, okay, uh, user ID, okay, then from table name any user ID, we go and get. Okay, suppose what is the user ID example I will take. So 107. Okay, so we will get. So okay, what is this one? Select to start from table, get medical. Close the bracket. Okay, close the bracket. Okay, usually here we will get this user ID and country code, but I need all user IDs, all countries. For that, how we will do? So we use, okay, first this is user setup. Okay, select. Okay, uh, then we need to get everything right. So here, uh, user address. Select star from first table. Okay, what is the table? Countries, right? So countries table. So then comma. So give the table. So inside again. So we need to get UDF name. UDF name. Okay. So inside we need to pass user ID. Okay. Select star for countries, comma, table get login user ID. Then here we need to give the space. Okay. So these are brackets and these are brackets. Space give the alias name F. Okay. So this F we need to mention in this F dot star. So then run it. So invalid user ID. Okay. When valid. Okay. What is the correct? Okay. One is user location and results. We will try this. Okay. So we do user location table. So in the user location, what we have? So user location we have ID and code, country code. So then this is the code. Then we apply alias name PF and dot star. So then we will get entire values like okay, user ID, country, code. Okay, user ID, country, code. This is how we will get this one. User ID, country, code.
So one around we will do this. Only for single, please write answers.
What?
Okay. Single country.
Only for single content, we going to pass the single one. This one.
Select from table, get law.
So this is our way. Okay. So go with we have two types, scalar and tabular. Okay. So we have system different functions. So the requirement when we create any function, so that we can call user defined function. Okay. So any doubts? Clear?